Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you a homemade German gourmet dill dip that is super fast and so yummy, or how we Germans say, lecker. Let me show you how to make it, and if you are in the mood for a little German lesson, you can learn some new words. Add all ingredients to a small bowl and mix well. Senf, Zitronensaft, Knoblauch Paste, Dill, Frühlingszwiebeln, Schlagsahne, and now you just need to salt and pepper to taste, and that's it. Your homemade German gourmet dill dip is ready to enjoy. Guten Appetit!